Vande Mataram, greetings from Dr. Reena Pathak for the Thursday video. Today I want to relate to these terms which are written on the board. You can see there is ambigram, anagram, pangram, isogram, heterogram and tautogram. So first and foremost we have ambigram. Do you see this? N-O-O-N. Now do I turn it upside down? What happens? The magic is it remains the same. The same is there with many other words, but the next word that I have for you is swims. S-W-I-M-S. When I turn it, then it is again swims. So this is ambigram. This kind of words, these kinds of words come under the category of ambigram. Now the next which I have written is anagram. In anagram, you tell me, I'm writing silent and throw. Here we can unscramble the letters. With the same number of letters, we can make new words. So we'll get listen here, and from throw you can make word. So we have many such references of anagram. The next category that we are talking about is pangram. The pangram, you've heard this sentence, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. What is so unusual about this sentence? Most of you must be knowing all the 26 letters are there in this sentence. A quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. I'll get it written for you here so that you can see it. So a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So that's a panagram. Now we come to the next, which is an isogram. Isogram is, so what do you notice here? There is repetition and there is equal repetition of the same letters. 2 D's, 2 E's, 2 P's, 2 E's. So when there is equal repetition of letters, then we call it as isogram. Now I will write a word. This is a long word that you see, uncopyrightable. Can you see? It's uncopyrightable and it is a very long word. Yet there is not a single letter which is repeated. Very difficult to find such words. In your comment, do this exercise. Find such words which are long but no repetition of any of the alphabets. The last that is there on my list today, there are many other categories, but I have picked up only these 6. So tautogram. Tautogram is like an alliteration, that is big brown bears bite. Big brown bears bite. Or Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter was too bitter. So Betty bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better. So this is what the repetition of B sound which is there, like in alliterations we have. So that's a tautogram. I hope you have understood and you will use these as a vocabulary exercise to your friends, neighbors, relatives, or anywhere you sit idle. You can use these as games and they will influence you to speak better, to take in more vocabulary drills in your system, and you would speak with confidence. In the comments, do let me know that what you found as the most strange example which you didn't know about in today's video and give me more examples of words from each category. I would be waiting for you. Today I'll do the comment section with a difference. Whoever gives me the best word, I would take it up in my next video with the name of my well-wisher and the person who has given the comment with a difference. For that, you would have to listen to the whole video completely from the beginning to the end and then share your inputs, give your comment, and the best will be chosen as my next video. Thank you.